Hey Cam fam, welcome back and welcome to Keeping Up with Cam if you're new here. Today we have a Halloween themed video. It's going to be a quick one. It's going to be a little bit of a hairstyle and a little bit of a get ready with me. So our theme for today is actually Calvin Cambridge. Do you guys remember where he's from? If you're around my age, you guys will remember Like Mike. It starred Bow Wow. It was an awesome movie. If you haven't seen it, I highly recommend it. But we figured we'd do something to incorporate hair as we usually do, so that's what we're doing. So this is super easy style. It's really just 4 braids. They don't have to be neat, they don't have to be gelled down, nothing like that, because Calvin Cambridge was actually an orphan, so his hair wasn't really getting done that regularly. So we are going for that kind of rough, just barely done type of vibe. So here's a little length check, a little look at what we're working with. So after splitting the hair into 2 sections, we're going to split those 2 into 2 as well, and we're just going to braid from the center down to the side of the face. So it's kind of like a pop smoke type of direction of the braid. Like I said, doesn't have to be neat, doesn't have to be small, doesn't have to be anything but a braid. We would love to hear what your kiddos were dressed up as for Halloween this year. It's a little bit back to normal as we didn't have any trick-or-treating at all last year. So this year we get to enjoy it a little bit. It's not going to be as it used to be before, but it's better than nothing. So let us know what your kiddos dressed up as. Let us know if you guys are actually even trick-or-treating this year, or if you're going to sit this one out again and wait till next year. I'm quickly going to tell you guys about what happened with the video that we were supposed to put out last week. I tried a brand new conditioner from a company called Up North Naturals, I believe. And this was just a spur of the moment. I needed a conditioner. I did not have the time to go to the hair store to get a regular one, so I got this from Walmart. And let me tell you guys, at first I thought it was great. It had like a woodsy smell to it, but after I washed it out, his hair was so elasticy, so stripped, so dry. Like I couldn't do anything with his hair. So I had to rewash his hair the next day. We have sports 2 times a week. We have a lot of activities going on because it's October. We have family that's leaving. Like it's a lot going on. So there was just no way to make up for the video. So we apologize so much, but you will get a video next week. Alright, so now we're getting into the dressing part of the video. We, like I said, did just 4 braids. You saw the 2 that I did the exact same on the other side. So we've got our socks on, our jeans on, our long sleeve. Now we're putting on our Jordans. The pinnacle of this movie was the shoes, so we did have to make sure that we came in looking right. We have our Raptors Kyle Lowry jersey. We miss him. And now that we have the shoes on, we're activated and we are like Mike. Boom. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching this quick little video. Hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you have not already. Hit that bell icon so you can be notified. Thumbs up this video if you like it, and hit us in the comments. We love to talk to you guys and share our videos with your family and friends. Bye.